AGBA, stock analysis and predictions in 1 minute time. Watch this short video till the end to gain clarity on whether I'm buying or selling next. AGBA Group Holding Limited stock, we're sitting at 133, 21% up for the days. Good, super good, fantastic. But before I get any further, just for context, I myself am using a strategy that has previously given me thousands of wins in 2023, and I'm telling you this because that is the truth, and I've documented everything myself. So, AGBA, I'm trying to milk this thing to the highs. And like it's not like nothing long term, of course. I'm trying to milk it at least to the highs for now. So how does that going to look like? If the price comes into this, I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. In this gray area, it gives me my double break on a like maybe 1 minute or a 5 minute chart. Then and only then I'm willing to take it higher. So it's super simple. It's obviously not financial advice. All I'm doing here is just following a strategy that I've tested for 20,000 videos. So for more value and details, check out the first link in the description. Hopefully you understand like what I expect.